Okay, so I bet you don't know what this is right here. This piece right here, this little plastic piece, is what you would call a fender liner extension cap. And this is actually just a $2 item, and I'll show you where you can install this piece right here. Okay, go down here. See this? That's where it goes right there. It's like the hole right here on the plastic fender. We go on this side. Here. Boom. See how this one's missing? See, I have to go purchase this $2 item with a $5 shipping for a $2 item right here. Fender liner extension cap, okay? And this is how you install it. Boom. Boom, just like that.